today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, clicking this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on push notifications. You come to next step here. You come here to remind me of and watch it videos. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.